K. Mansi. I am studying intermediate second year in KCBB Anupuram. Today I would like to tell about Chandrayaan 3, back to its orbit. The lander and rover part of Chandrayaan 3, which are currently on lunar surface, might have gone into deep sleep, perhaps even permanent sleep. But ISRO continues to get crucial data from the remaining parts of Chandrayaan 3. In one such crucial experiment, ISRO has successfully ensured that the propulsion module, which was in a lunar orbit, takes a detour and in fact comes back to the Earth's orbit. Is a crucial experiment for the ISRO for the major reason. This means that ISRO now has the known of how to bring a propulsion module, the lunar orbit, back to the Earth's orbit. It could be a crucial knowledge as well as a demonstration of technical capabilities retrieval missions from the lunar surface sometime in the future. Remember, this propulsion module had carried both the lander and rover, and after they detached sometime in August, this propulsion module was going around the lunar orbit. It had a payload called SHAPE, which was looking at the Earth's surface from the lunar orbit, and there was a lot of fuel left in this propulsion module. And ISRO now has attempted this experiment, which is successfully ensured that ISRO has demonstrated that it can bring linear propulsion module from the lunar orbit back to the Earth's orbit. This could also play a major role for ISRO's future as well as, and also this now gives more opportunity for the payload on the propulsion module to look at Earth's surface atmosphere, not just from the lunar orbit but back from the Earth orbit as well, giving some more data to ISRO, especially from this payload. We will have to see how ISRO uses information that comes in now, and also crucial data that they will get on how the board systems and software has responded and possibility. This could be seen as baby steps for the ISRO having a lunar sample retrieval mission sometime the decade or so. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.